Hello from Universal Studios Orlando. A very quick update today because Trackwork is complete. So we're just going to take a look at some angles and you can see the final two pieces that were put in last night straight ahead. So there it is, the large element that was just completed, and you can just see this is going to be pretty cool to go through, especially with the spinning vehicles added. I mean, it's already a cool enough element as it is, but add in that spinning and we're really going to get some disorientation out of this. It's going to be pretty cool, and you can really see it from multiple places all around the park. The energy has changed at the entrance of the park from walking into the park to going past the turnstiles and then all the way down this New York Main Street area. Heading back towards the station, we can see this huge station, the double station. So dispatches are going to be really good on this ride. And now over at Hard Rock, just another look at this completed layout and this large element. A lot of cool supports all over this ride. Just a really good job making it look great from every single angle. And finally, as I work on Trackwork some more and tightening it up and trying to get it as exact as possible, this is kind of what it looks like without spinning, going through this new twisted cutback element.